Hi everyone, my name is Anna and today we're here at the Museum of Tomorrow in the Olympic Boulevard, and I want to show you all of the attractions that are over here. There are actually five main attractions over here: the Museum of Tomorrow, the Museum of Art of Rio, the aquarium, the Ferris Wheel, Rio Star, and also the huge large panel mural made by Cobra, a very famous street artist. And I just wanted to show you a little bit about how this area looks like, what to expect, if it's safe to come here, what are each of these attractions, and the prices and hours finally. So let's check it out. I'm gonna start all the way down there with the Ferris wheel, and I'm gonna make my way back over here. So let's go over there and check it out. So we just arrived here at our first stop. So we walked all the way from the Museum of Tomorrow up to here. It's like a 15-minute walk, but it's nice. There is a lot of architecture and street art for you to look along the way, as well as some food stalls, drinks, and like just some people generally like exercising or coming around here. So this Ferris wheel here is like the tallest in Latin America, and it is 88 meters in diameter, so around 280, 290 feet in diameter, so I'm assuming around 300 feet tall if you consider the base. We're gonna go inside. It usually takes around between 18 to 20 minutes for a full circle around the Ferris wheel. And it's quite different than what you would usually see from the Sugarloaf and the Christ, because those are towards the south zone. This is a bit more downtown. So we just came out of the Ferris wheel. It's quite a good infrastructure if they have over there. And then like right next door, this yellow building behind me here, all the way down to the back over there, that's gonna be the aquarium. So we're gonna go over there right now and we're gonna go in. Apparently, I'm not sure if that's true, but apparently you can actually dive in the tank. I wanna confirm that. Let's check it out, see if that's true. And I'm gonna show you guys how it is inside. So we just visited the aquarium right now. It is around 5,000 specimens, 350 species that they have over there. And the thing that I told you about diving in the tank, it's kind of a marketing kind of thing, because it's not really diving, it's just like this huge corridor that you go through under the tank. It's really nice because you can see from that different perspective. But if you've been to other aquariums in Europe and in North America, you've probably seen that already. Now I'm gonna take you to our third stop, which is the Cobra mural. It's just over there, like really close to here. So let's walk over there and check it out. So we just arrived at our third spot now, the Cobra mural. Cobra is a Brazilian artist and he has buildings, murals like this all over the world, like Russia, the US, Greece, Poland, Italy, and UK, other countries. So he's internationally known, and he was commissioned to prepare this mural for the 2016 Olympics. And the mural name is called Ethnicities, or it's also known as Todos Somos or We Are All One. And it represents one of each of the several indigenous people of each continent. So he painted one of them, it's strikingly beautiful. You can see by its like very realistic paintings with the very colorful backgrounds and patches. It covers the entire wall of an old warehouse we have here. You could see it through the VLT or our tram that goes by this region over here. And it's just like, you probably would take maybe 2 minutes, like taking a leisurely walk from one side to the other. It's just huge. So it's a very interesting place for you to come, to take pictures, or just to appreciate the art itself. So this video will be on the way here in the Olympic Boulevard, and it's a nice place for you to just take a pause, take a look, and just enjoy and take some pictures. Right, so we arrived at the second to last spot that we're visiting today, which is the Museum of Art of Rio. This building here, like both buildings, the old building here and the modern building over here, they're both part of the museum. This museum was opened in 2013, and it actually won a prize of best architecture at that year. So let's go and check it out now. So once you enter, you can come straight up, take a look at the view, and then after that you can start your tour around the museum. Right now I'm just enjoying the view a little bit. It's a very nice outlook of the entire plaza. For a very long time this area was really neglected, full of derelict buildings. There are still some, but they are going through renovations one at a time. And the area now got a new life, and it's full of actually Black people history and street art and culture. So it's really nice to see people taking back these public spaces and making it their own and making it look like a nice place. So we are now almost over, and we're going to start walking to the other side over there. The weather is starting to change, starting to get cloudy, and we're going to go to the last stop of today, the Museum of Tomorrow. Okay, so it was just a short walk across the square until here. So we were just over there, and then we just walked across through here. So this museum, it was idealized by a Spanish architect, and the idea of this museum, as the name says, Museum of Tomorrow, it's more like a kind of a thought-provoking experiment for us to think where us as humanity we are going. So thinking about climate change, thinking about large populations displacement due to climate change or to wars or everything else that's going on in the world. So they have some interesting things going on in there. The building is entirely sustainable, so they have some kind of plants that's been planted around, and you can walk all over around it on the outside and have some nice views of it. So let's go check it out, and I'll talk to you later. So yeah, that's the Museum of Tomorrow. I think it's really worth it, even if you're by yourself, or especially if you're bringing kids. I think it's a great place for bringing kids. And then you can always walk outside. There is like a very nice plaza over there, and then at night they have some activities as well. It's always busy. There is security, so it's quite safe. So I'm pretty sure you'll be fine if you get here, especially over the weekend. It was quite busy, as you guys seen me walking around. And in terms of prices, both the Ferris Wheel and the aquarium are the most expensive ones. So they cost around 120 reais per attraction. And the Museum of Tomorrow over here costs around 30 reais. And the Museum of Art is gonna be around 20 reais. So obviously this is usually the highest price. If you live in Rio or if you're of age, you probably pay half. So let me know what you thought about this video. If you're interested in seeing what is in the other side of this same neighborhood downtown, I did a video about all of the attractions that are over there. And let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it, if there is something here that perhaps you would like to have seen that I didn't show you, so that perhaps next time I can do a video for you. Please consider giving me a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!